Won't believe this. This is the coolest tech gadget for your office. This USB Zoom mute button is perfect for Zoom meetings. With just one simple click, you're able to mute and unmute and open and close Zoom videos. Add extra space with this clamp-on swivel desk organizer. This attaches onto any desk and can swivel 360 degrees. It can be turned out of the way when it's needed and turned in when it's not in use. This definitely helps keep things off my desk and neatly stored away underneath my tabletop.
Your Christmas list this year.
Start vacuuming.
This is the Narwhal Smart Vacuum and Mop. It's a 2-in-1 product and it works incredibly well. I'm sure you've seen this on TikTok before, but it is well worth the hype. We've had it for the past 4 months. We use it all the time, and it's the coolest thing that you can control it by an app, so you don't even have to be home while your house is getting cleaned. I know whoever you gifted this to would love you for the rest of their life. It's just one less task to do throughout your day. It's a stress saver. So let's leave the cleaning to the robot so it gives us more time to do things that we love. Now tag the person that you would love to gift this to this Christmas.
Dispenser is the perfect organization item for your laundry room. It's really easy to fill and comes with this measuring cup to make dispensing simple and satisfying. We use it to store scented laundry beads and powdered detergent, but it also works great for rice and even pet food.
This gadget will be your new best friend. It's not only a 7-in-1 hub, but also a stand for devices under 13 inches like your laptop, your mobile phone, your tablet, and even a switch.
If you're sick of your phone wire falling behind your nightstand or your desk, this gadget is for you. It's essentially a giant magnet, so when you're done charging your phone, it'll catch your wire instead of letting it fall behind. Next up is this really pretty alarm clock. The face of the clock is a mirror and has really pretty gold detailing. You can also plug USBs right into it. And lastly, if you'd like your outlets to look a little bit sleeker, this is for you. It fits right over your outlet and has one cord coming out that leads to a mini power strip, making things look just a little bit neater.
If you don't like feeling cold when stepping out of the shower, then you need this towel warmer. Just pop them in, turn it on, and your towels will be nice and toasty when you're done with your shower.
Once I went to the salon to get gel nails, my nails started splitting and cracking. If anybody knows why this is happening, please let me know in the comments. I decided to get this nail cream. It has over 44,000 reviews and was developed 25 years ago. It's cruelty-free. It uses vitamins, minerals, and jojoba oils. You can apply it 3 times a day. It's not only good for your nails, but you can also use it on your toenails, and it has a wonderful coconut scent. I've only used it a handful of times, but my nails already feel stronger and healthier. It's made in the USA, and it is a definite must-have.
Honestly, I saw this and I had to buy it immediately. This is a pink glittery lipstick purse. It comes with 3 different lipsticks in it. One is a pink bomb, there's a red glittery shade, and one red that's more of a satin finish. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think the case is so cute, and it makes the perfect gift item for any of your friends. Amazon tech gadget I wish I knew about earlier. This laptop side mount extension holder adds the perfect addition to my laptop. This hides away so easily. It folds in when not in use and folds out when it's needed. This easily attaches to any laptop surface. It's extremely sturdy and holds very well to my computer. And this really helps me multitask between my phone and my laptop without having to pick up my phone while working.
This is my crystal nail file that was actually recommended to me by a nail technician here on TikTok. I've been looking for things to stop my nails from splitting and cracking. This nail file can be used over and over. You can disinfect it. It seals the keratin layer and prevents your nails from splitting and cracking. Just what I need. It is a definite must-have.
Like no other. It has adjustable and removable weight plates to suit your workout preferences. This kettlebell can conveniently be adjusted from 5 to 8, 9, or 12 pounds by pressing on the tabs and twisting off the weight plates. I love this because it takes up less space than a full kettlebell set, and it has a comfortable
These are Airpod lip glosses. You're probably very confused, but let me show you what I mean. It's a matte lip gloss in the AirPod case. And they look like little earbuds. How adorable. And when you pull them out, you have two mini lipsticks. Let's try them out and see if they're any good. Here's the first color. Excuse me, this color looks absolutely gorgeous, feels super lightweight and non-drying. Now let's try out the next one. Here's what the second color looks like. This is more of like a deeper red. It's super matte and absolutely gorgeous. I honestly did not expect to like these as much as I do. And you can put them on your keychain, which is where I'm gonna keep mine. Let me know what you guys think about these.